Idea pins are shoppable now, which means you can monetize your idea pins on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So a member of my community actually submitted an idea pin that they wanted me to use for this video. So thank you, Kavitha, for allowing me to use your account as a testing site to show everyone else exactly how to use idea pin product tagging. So the two ways that we are going to cover monetization for your idea pins today, and I'm going to walk you through it on my phone, on a screen recording, and show you exactly how to do it. So option number one is monetizing with your own product links. So I have an Etsy store that I'm featuring today. The same exact process is how you would do it with a Shopify store. And then on the other hand, I have an idea pin that I'm going to load into my own account and use a client's reward style links for affiliate linking. So because I don't have permission to show you her actual Pinterest account, I'm just going to use her reward style links and show you the process of actually adding affiliate links to idea pins so you can start monetizing those today. So what are idea pins and why should I even care? So if you haven't watched the idea pin videos that I have been creating, I'll link the playlist above. But idea pins are a multi-slide format to bring more brand awareness and more value to your user on Pinterest. So the way that I like to explain idea pins is if Instagram carousels and Instagram stories kind of had a baby, and then that would be idea pins. So idea pins do not expire like a lot of other stories on other platforms. They were formerly called story pins. There was a lot of confusion there. So they were rebranded earlier this summer into idea pins, and that is the format that we have now. So idea pins, you get 20 slides. Each slide can be an image or a video, and they can be up to 60 seconds in length. So best practice is actually about 59 seconds. That way you don't actually go over and need to trim your video down. So you could have potentially 20 slides at 59 seconds and have almost a 20-minute idea pin. Not that that's what I'm recommending, but it's definitely a possibility that you could use. So idea pins, why use them? Well, there's 3 reasons that I actually wanted to point out to you today before we dive into our tutorial. Number one, and I think this is the most important reason of all, we are actually seeing a correlation between idea pins and more traffic to the top of the funnel on the website. So direct to homepage traffic. So we're seeing a correlation between that, publishing idea pins and getting more on-site traffic just to like heatherfarris.com. Number 2 is they can help you increase your followers on Pinterest, which a lot of people are starting to get more and more interested in doing, not only for sponsor activities or sponsor opportunities, but also so more people on Pinterest will see your content. And then number 3 is they bring more awareness to your content and your brand in general, and they are actually really good at doing that without having to do a lot of work. It's almost fighting tooth and nail to get anyone to see you on Instagram or Facebook without having to pay for that traffic. That is not the case on Pinterest. Not only do you pair the creative type that you are doing with idea pins, you pair that together with a really solid SEO strategy, and the potential of you getting seen by a new audience is really, really good, which I think was the original intent behind story pins before they were rebranded into what we know them as today in idea pin format. A couple of things before we dive into the tutorial. Number 1, idea pin ads are on the way, and this is going to allow you to create idea pins with a sponsored brand, and then that brand will then be able to promote that idea pin on your behalf and send your idea pin more traffic and potentially send your affiliate links more traffic as well. So those are coming. They are being beta tested out in major markets right now. The second thing along that same thread is idea pin ads, as in just running ads with idea pins, are actually in beta in major markets right now, one of which is the United States and the other being Australia. Those are the only 2 that I have clients in right now that I am aware of where you can actually use idea pins in your ads, and they actually give you a link where you will be able to, someone can watch your idea pin and then click off the platform and go straight to whatever you want them to know about. Now, Back to the organic idea pin strategy, the whole thought process behind tagging your idea pins with products or affiliate links and monetizing them in that way is just a really great way for you to be able to create a piece of content that doesn't actually have a link where you can leave the platform and still get paid for doing that. Pinterest is throwing us a bone with this basically. They gave us idea pins or story pins in the beginning without the ability to do any product tagging or giving us a link to leave the platform. And we really saw a huge spike in engagement with these idea pins, which then led to our profile pins being served to those people in the algorithm and related in their home feeds. But ultimately, the really, really good part about idea pins now is the fact that you can monetize them in these two ways right away, and then with the potential of sponsored brand recognition later. Without further ado, let's hop right into the tutorial to actually tag our idea pins, because this is going to be a bit of a process and I want to show you just really quickly how this works. And then I have a couple of these already queued up. That way we can see how this whole thing works. So what I need to do is actually hop in. I'm going to show you the very first variation of this where I actually use affiliate links and I'm creating an idea pin on my own profile. So we're going to open up Pinterest and then we are going to pull in. So we're going to hit the plus button and we're going to go to idea pin. And from here, I actually already have my full idea pin saved to my phone. So I'm just going to pull in all 3 slides. And then I'm not going to do any music or any editing on this idea pin right now. I'm literally just going to show you exactly how to do the tagging. So normally on page 1, I wouldn't do any tagging for the idea pin. I would save that for the pages where the products are actually being featured. So in this instance, I'm going to grab the reward style link and I'm going to go ahead and edit this page, and you're going to go to stickers, and then under stickers, you're going to click product, use link, and then you're just going to paste in your product link. And this is your affiliate link. Now, as of filming this, we only have the ability to add reward style affiliate links to our idea pins, with the knowledge that in the future, we are hoping to get Amazon and some other platforms that are also going to allow us to use affiliate links in our idea pins. But as of right now, we are only using reward style links. Those are the only ones that we can get to work. So once, occasionally it will make, like I'll put the affiliate link in there and then it'll make me pull out an actual product link from the store. So if it gives you that error, like what you're seeing on my screen right now, then I just want you to go to the store and pull out a product link for an actual product. So typically my client actually just gives me reward style links for a whole category of products, and Pinterest doesn't like that. They want an actual product that you can pull in and tag. So it'll have you pick your image, you'll click create, and then it adds the product tag then to your screen, and you can click edit on the color and maybe change the color of it to stand out against whatever template you have created for your idea pin. And that's it. That's how you tag affiliate links in your idea pins. Now I'm going to go ahead and click done. If I were completely done with this pin, I would go ahead and optimize it and publish it. I'm going to save the full optimization for Kavitha's pin actually. So I'm going to save this as a draft. You find the drafts folder by being on the finishing touches screen and clicking the file icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and it'll save it to your drafts. Now we're going to hop on over to Kavitha's account, and I'm going to show you exactly how you create your idea pin using an Etsy product store. And I have all of her slides actually downloaded to my phone already as well. So we are going to go to photos, all, okay. And then we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, next. And then I'm gonna end up having to add some music onto this as well, but for now I'm just going to draft it out and show you exactly how this works. So Kavitha gave me all the products in her store and links, and I have those in a Google Doc on my computer opened up. and I'm just going to follow her instructions. So on slide 2, I'm gonna edit that slide and I'm gonna add the product sticker, and I'm gonna use the link and I'm going to paste it in. Now, about 50% of the time, like when I just did the affiliate link tagging a second ago, it didn't actually give me this option right here in the middle of the screen that says this is an affiliate link. It didn't give me that option. That only happens about 50% of the time. There's definitely some bugs and glitches there, but if you get that option and this is an affiliate link, make sure you toggle that on. Now, since this isn't an affiliate link, this is a product link from Kavitha's store. We're just gonna choose the product and we're gonna click create. And it's gonna create that tag for us. Now I'm gonna let Kavitha actually come in and use the editing feature to edit all of her idea pin tags. The next one is slide 3, same deal, stickers, product, use link, paste the link in, select the product in the pin option, and then you will be able to add the link in. And what it's doing is this whole product tagging thing, what it's doing is it's creating a product pin. And then when someone clicks on the actual tagged product pin, it takes them to a product pin on Pinterest, and then they can click through from the product pin to your store. So there is an extra step in between actually clicking, unfortunately, like static pins. You can just click the product pin and it takes you straight to the store. In this instance, you have to click the product tag on the idea pin. It opens up another product pin. And then from there, you have to click that link and click on through to the store. So it adds one extra step, which is fine. We're finding that to not be too big of an issue. The more Pinterest users get used to this, the more likely they are to click and buy the products in the idea pins as well. Now there is a second option in the builder where you can search for pins. I just prefer to have a direct link to whatever I'm tagging. It makes it so much easier. And if you need some assistance with idea pin planning, where you actually have a workflow for creating your idea pins with the products and the slides and all of that stuff, then my Pinterest system actually has a idea pin planning template in it already. Now sometimes, just as a final call out, it adds 2 products tagged in the product for some reason. I don't know why. Again, this is a Pinterest glitch. They're working out all the bugs in this. But if it does add 2, then just cover up one of them with the other and you'll never even know that they're there. Click done and then move right on along. So that is pretty much it. That's how you create your idea pin product tags using either a shop store like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and affiliate product tagging in your idea pins. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is definitely evolving. This is an evolving topic. There's going to be more on this channel even as time progresses about how you can use idea pins in your Pinterest strategy. But for now, I truly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you are wanting more one-on-one support and Pinterest strategy for creating your own idea pins, make sure you come and join us in Pin Profit Academy. I will see you on the inside. In the meantime, head on over and watch these videos right here all about Pinterest strategy and idea pins.